Easyjet, let's see what they're gonna do. Easyjet positioning nicely. It looks like he's gonna do a takeoff, standing takeoff. Yes, sharp turn into position. So I'll give you guys the registration number of the aircraft. The registration of the aircraft, Easyjet, in position on the runway. And this is Oscar Eco India Juliet India. There we go, that's A320. I repeat, registration Oscar Eco India Juliet India. As you can see over there, right there, right there. Transavia behind. Coming from behind slowly there. Okay, this is a standing takeoff. This is a standing takeoff. That's an Easyjet. Let's see what's happening behind there. Meantime, Transavia taxiing behind, A320. Aircraft. This is Oscar Eco India Juliet India. Initiate the takeoff. This is Easyjet, guys. Rotate. This is Transavia. It's going to do a standing takeoff as well as required because of the weight of the aircraft. Foxtrot Hotel X-Ray Sierra Charlie right in front of us. Repeat the registration, Foxtrot Hotel X-Ray Sierra Charlie. Behind there's Air Algeria. Further there, it's coming up. Shall give you guys the registration number, the registration of the aircraft, sorry. And this here we have a Foxtrot Hotel X-Ray Sierra Charlie. There we go, full power. Getting speed, full power, full power. Full throttle, full throttle. Aircraft is getting momentum, getting speed for getting airborne. There we go. Rotate. Here we go. Saving air, guys. All right, in front of us we have, I think that is Air Algeria. I'm not sure, I shall confirm. This is from what I see, there's a 737 Boeing, Air Algeria. That's right. Okay, let's see what type of takeoff is going to do. That's a roll takeoff. Roll takeoff because it didn't stop at all. Roll takeoff. And then it's going to put full power on. That's good. Roll takeoff. That's 7 Tango. No, just a registration. I couldn't get it. That's the aircraft. It's gonna get airborne shortly. And the roll takeoff normally is done when the runway is long enough so that the pilot doesn't need to stop. But when the runway is short runway, you need to start standing takeoff. just to be able to build the power and accelerate enough to be able to airborne. All right, we got another aircraft coming towards the runway taxiing. We've got the Easyjet behind. It's two aircraft at the same time, and both are taxiing one after another. If we go at 31, it comes into the picture, the Transavia 737, and we have Easyjet Airbus A320 behind, and then we have this one also, which I'm going to give you guys the identification shortly. Let's see what it's gonna do, either a roll takeoff or standing takeoff. Wheezy. As you can see behind, it's busy. That's Airbus. It looks like it's gonna do a roll takeoff. I don't think so. No, it's going to position and come to a stop, I think. Behind you can see 737-800 and Airbus. That is a Wheezy. And roll takeoff. It didn't stop at all. There we go. The runway is long enough to just to not be able to not. It's not necessary really to stand to do a takeoff, standing takeoff. This one has a 737 as well. Let's see if it's gonna do a roll takeoff. Roll takeoff. Yes. Yeah, Foxtrot Golf Zulu Hotel Romeo. 737 800 aircraft Transavia. No, that is a standing takeoff, so which means the aircraft is fully loaded with fuel and passenger and cargo. So Foxtrot Golf Zulu Hotel Romeo is doing standing takeoff, and is going to accelerate shortly for takeoff. Go! Full power! There we go. That's a 737-800, guys. Getting momentum, speed increase, and aircraft it's gonna get airborne.